It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone. And here's our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and satisfaction. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.